let's talk about AI again. And if you really want to understand what is going on and why AI is really so important for 2025, you might as well want to check the What's Next for AI in 2025 that's written by James O'Donnell and Will Douglas Heaven and Melissa Heykila from the Technology Review. This isn't a random site, it's actually MIT Technology Review. So this article is going to give you some very good ideas on what is big in AI and what is probably going to happen in 2025. Things as generative virtual playgrounds, large language models, its boom, time for AI in science as well. AI companies get cozy with national security. NVIDIA seems a legit competition. This is very good because of really the AI space is not just about NVIDIA and kudos. Go with this thing. And now in the context of Samsung and AI, there is a funny clip circulating. Just listen, guys. So this thing goes on for 41 minutes. All right, 41 minutes. So I went online trying to search for information. Somebody at Reddit said, can someone please use AI to calculate the average usage of the word AI per minute in Samsung Unpacked? And then, guys, there was a person that actually used this transcript from the YouTube stream and then processed it. And in fact, we do have 30 times the word AI. But in addition to the direct mention of AI, references to AI concepts or systems that do not specifically include the term AI, but relate, such as AI agents, AI tools, and AI assistant, bring the total references to 51. All right, so all about AI. And I'm saying this ain't bad. What is bad is, all right, let me show you guys. So what is bad is everything else that pretty much was not changed at all. And here, guys, you can see we have the S25 Ultra, the S24 Ultra, the S23 Ultra. And I'm going to very quickly just scrap through body, display, platform, like the main categories. We have them in GSM Arena and just see what stayed the same. Apparently, in the body section, we have a change from the weight going from 234 to 232 and 2118, which isn't that bad. But then, guys, see, we have IP68, IP68, and IP68, like still the same water resistant and protection rating, and all the other phones or some of the other phones are already using IP69. Let's see what happens in the display areas. All right, from S23 Ultra to S24 Ultra, there was a change in the peak brightness, which is good. And from S24 Ultra to S25 Ultra, it's pretty much the same display, though of course we have another layer of protection. Yeah. So this is pretty much it, guys. All right, platform, I guess the chips, this is all clear, like probably the huge advance only there in the chips. Let's go and check the storage size. Everything absolutely the same. Let's go and now check the cameras, guys, because this is absolutely fundamental. And I do believe this is what really annoys a lot of people, myself included. S23 Ultra main shooter, 200 megapixel, same. Then we do have the 3x telephoto camera. So it's the same one here, and the same for 3 consecutive years. And of course, there was a change from S23 Ultra to S24 Ultra, like Samsung decided to kill the 10x optical camera and replaced it with a 50 megapixel camera, which is the absolute same 50 megapixel camera for 2 years now. So in S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. And yeah, because it's a brand new phone, we got an upgrade on the ultra wide camera. So now the ultra wide camera is also 50 megapixel in the S25, which was only 12 in the previous years. So you can pretty much see what has happened. S23 Ultra to S25 Ultra, so we lost the 10x optical zoom, gained a brand new 5x 50 megapixel zoom, and now also a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. But that's not enough because the main sensor apparently is the same. Maybe there's some tricks inside. But yeah, all the other phones, right, the flagship phones are using second, even now this year, third year generation of 1-inch sensors. So it's clearly that Samsung really failed us here, all right? And if you look about the video specs, yeah, it's pretty much the same like everywhere. All right, selfie camera, this is interesting, guys, because the selfie camera is absolutely the same. Like you can just copy and paste this from S23 to 4 to 5 Ultra. All right, what about the sound? Absolutely the same. What about the comms? Yeah, it's absolutely the same. But all right, now we do have Bluetooth 5.4, some upgrades there. What about, guys, the battery? This is something that Samsung could have pushed. We have a Lion battery, 5000 mAh in the S23 Ultra and 4 and 5. We do have 45 watts wire charging, the same in S24 Ultra, the same in S23 Ultra, and we do have only an upgrade in the wireless charging. It's bumped up from 15 watts to 25, guys. I mean, this is not an upgrade. It's almost the same for 3 consecutive years. So this is the problem, guys. AI is not a problem. I mean, we would love to use AI, right? Like, AI is cool, we have it almost everywhere. Industry is pushing the AI, and I don't see anything wrong with this if they really stick to the promise that AI will really work together with us, so that it will help us to be more productive, achieve more goals, and just work better. So AI is not a problem. The problem is if you just kind of focus your product only on AI, don't do anything else, and you just charge this ultra premium, like flagship price. We don't want to pay this money just for AI, guys. Remember, we have AI everywhere else. We have ChatGPT, we have OpenAI, we have Sora, we have so many other options. And I do believe that this is what it's going to make the people angry. And then you remove the S Pen Bluetooth, nobody really cares so much. Like, how many people do use that? But the thing is, it was there, and people knew it was there. And even myself, I used it on instance with family group photos. So I don't really use it every day, but I would like to know that I have it. So when I have to use it, it's gonna be there, but it's no longer there because they removed this. So they removed something, okay, not probably the best feature ever, but they removed it, and they kept everything, almost everything the same, just besides the design. The same camera with minor upgrades, the same battery with super minor upgrades, the same display from last year with almost no upgrades, just okay, minor upgrades. And this is the real problem. The real problem is not AI. The real problem is that Samsung really didn't do anything else besides just pumping the eye. And I know they spend a lot of efforts on One UI 7. They even did not show this on the scene. The new home app, good luck finally for everybody. They could have done a better Unpacked event. So this event wasn't great. And it wasn't great not because the product was so bad. I still need to see it with my own eyes. It was bad because they just put all the eggs in the basket with the AI and nothing else, guys, nothing else. And people don't really buy this for now. Oh, let's see. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check what's next for AI in 2025. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.